Hey everyone, Dr. Gage Winkles here bringing you part 4 of our video series of the month covering why people who are active or athletes should seek chiropractic care for their musculoskeletal injuries. In the previous videos, we touched on topics such as what is an evidence-based chiropractor or a sports chiropractor, what tools we can use in the office here at Health-Fit to help you get back to your sport or activity as pain-free and as fast as possible. We talked about different treatment options that you may have with conservative care. We also talked about what's called the overuse injury cycle. And we want to work to prevent you from falling into that chronic overuse injury cycle. And today we're going to talk about, in this final video here, what we call as the healthcare funnel. What that is that starts in the top of a funnel with our cheapest, most often easiest, and most accessible treatment options that you can utilize. And we work down the funnel to get you the clinical outcomes that you need. Starting in that top part of the funnel here, we have things you can do at home, such as heat, ice, cold plunge and sauna, maybe foam rolling, massage gun, maybe even YouTube or Google some exercises to try and help alleviate those symptoms. If that doesn't help, then we go down that healthcare funnel into the conservative care box, where conservative care here is things that are non-surgical and non-invasive, such as chiropractic care. Here in the office, we utilize things like chiropractic joint manipulation or the adjustments. We utilize soft tissue release, such as active release technique here in the office. Combination of modalities such as class 4 cold laser, shockwave therapy, as well as tailoring a specific rehab plan to use exercises in office and outside of office to help you return to sport faster. If conservative care has still not achieved the clinical outcomes desired, then we work down the funnel where we may consider one of two options. Maybe we need to refer you and get some imaging done. So as a chiropractor, we can write a script for an MRI or an X-ray. We'll go over these results with you. And then depending on those results, we can help guide you to the proper resources necessary to help you return to sport pain-free. If imaging is not warranted and we'd rather go a second route, what that looks like is a referral. Here at Health-Fit, we pride ourselves on having a first-class referral system. That is everyone from personal trainers to neurosurgeons to orthopedists, sports medicine. We will get you connected, if needed, to those resources that can help you get those clinical outcomes that are desired. So as you can see here, we start with our most cost-effective, easily accessible treatment options such as heat, ice, home exercise. Then we go to conservative care, and then from there we can go to imaging and referrals when needed. If you have questions about how a chiropractor could help you get back to sport or activity pain-free, give us a call today and we'd be happy to talk more about it.